Hey there, fellow travelers. Are you tired of feeling like you're stuck in a can of sardines when you fly? Well, fear not, because today we've got a special treat for you. We're sitting down with a seasoned flight attendant who's going to share some insider tips on how to make your next flight more comfortable and enjoyable. So sit back, relax, and get ready to take your flying game to the next level. Tip 1. First up, we have a little trick for making those tight, uncomfortable seats feel a bit more bearable. Our flight attendant recommends bringing along a small, inflatable pillow to use as a lumbar support. This will help take the pressure off your lower back and keep you feeling comfortable throughout the flight. Plus, it's small enough to fit in your carry-on, so it won't take up much space. Tip 2. Next up, let's talk about staying hydrated during your flight. It's no secret that flying can be incredibly dehydrating, which can leave you feeling lethargic and achy. To combat this, our flight attendant suggests bringing a reusable water bottle on board and filling it up before takeoff. Not only is this better for the environment, but it also ensures that you'll have access to water throughout the flight without having to rely on the flight attendants. Tip 3. Now, let's talk about something that nobody wants to deal with on a long flight: smelly feet. Whether it's your own feet or someone else's, a little odor can quickly ruin an otherwise pleasant flight. To avoid this, our flight attendant recommends bringing along a pair of clean socks to change into mid-flight. Not only will this help keep your feet smelling fresh, but it can also improve circulation and keep you feeling comfortable. Tip 4. Next, let's talk about getting a good night's sleep on a red-eye flight. While it can be tough to nod off in a noisy, cramped airplane, there are a few tricks you can try. Our flight attendant recommends bringing along a sleep mask and a pair of earplugs or noise-canceling headphones to block out any distractions. Additionally, wearing loose, comfortable clothing and avoiding caffeine and alcohol before the flight can help set the stage for a peaceful night's rest. Tip 5. Finally, let's talk about something that can be a real game-changer when it comes to in-flight comfort: choosing the right seat. While it may not always be possible to snag the perfect spot, there are a few things to keep in mind when booking your flight. Our flight attendant recommends aiming for a seat near the front of the plane, as this can reduce the amount of turbulence you feel during the flight. Additionally, choosing a seat near the window can give you something to lean against and help you feel more secure. And if you're looking for a little extra legroom, consider booking an emergency exit row or paying for an upgrade to premium economy. Well, there you have it, folks. Some insider tips from a seasoned flight attendant on how to make your next flight more comfortable and enjoyable. We hope you found these tips helpful, and we'd love to hear your own strategies for surviving a long flight. Be sure to leave us a comment down below and let us know what you think. Until next time, happy travels. If you're looking for some products to make your next flight more enjoyable, we've got you covered. Here are some links in the description of this video to some of our top picks. We hope these products help make your next flight more comfortable and enjoyable. Happy travels!